All right, let's try this again. So the graph is telling us to find the zero. The problem is telling us to find the zeros of this function. Therefore, what they're really asking us to find is find what the values of x that are going to make f of x equal to 0. So we want to find out what values make f of x equal to 0. So a lot of times you can just set this equal to 0 and solve for it. Well, actually, let's set it up and see what it looks like. So if I was to get this to equal 0, I would get rid of everything that's on that right side. Now, I'm kind of actually overdoing some steps by doing this, but I want to kind of present a point to you. So now I have my function equal to 0. So when we're finding the solutions, or the zeros, or the roots, what we're trying to do is we're trying to find what values of x are going to make this 0. So what we need to do is we need to isolate this. Since my x's, I only have one x, it's x squared. And then what I need to do is I need to isolate this variable, get it by itself. Just like when you used to solve equations like in Algebra 1 or something. I need to get this by itself. Now if this was a quadratic where I had two x's, I would probably have to do some sort of factoring. But here, since it's alone, and it's squared, I'm going to have to get it by itself. So I'm actually going to add the 50 back over there because I'm going to isolate this variable. So I'm going to have 2x squared equals 50. Now I'm going to get rid of this 2 in front of there. So I have x squared equals 25. Now, to get rid of the square, I need to take the square root. Therefore, I have x equals the square root of 25 is going to be plus or minus 5. So therefore, that's how you find the solution when given a, I don't know, equation looks like that.